In question number 4, if you turn back your direction, so this is A number 4, it says determine whether the functions are equivalent. I need to figure out if the equation, let's write that, equation, that's an equation, and the graph, we're trying to figure out, are these equivalent? Are these equal? So on the equation, it's almost in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to distribute the 5 here. So I get 5x, and then 5 times negative 1 is negative 5 plus 4. And then I'm going to combine like terms, so I get y equals 5x, negative 5 plus 4? Negative 1. Okay, so this is what I got. Let's put slope-intercept form right next to it. Tell me slope-intercept form. Lana, what's slope-intercept form? Feel free to look it through your graphic organizer. It's from a linear. I know this is linear because it's to the first power and my graph has that, so we're looking at a linear. Jenny? Correct. Lana, what is it? Correct. So, B is my starting point. That is the y-intercept. So I go down to negative 1. And then it tells me a slope of 5. A slope of 5 means 5 over 1. You make 5 a fraction by just putting it over 1. And slope is a rise of 5 and a run of 1. From your starting point, you go rise of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a run of 1. So if I graph this blue line, this blue equation is this blue line. Class, did I end up with the same line? No. So are they equivalent? No, not equivalent. Now I'm going to look back at the directions because on the quizzes and tests sometimes it'll say explain. So let's double check. This one just says determine. Determine just means yes or no. Yes or no, are you going to homecoming? Yes or no, right? There is no explanation here. You don't have to tell your parents. This one just says determine, so I've said no. Now, the easiest way you could have determined this, you didn't have to do all that work. You could have just recognized my slope here, is it positive or negative? It's positive. When you read from left to right, your graphs, you read left to right. So this here is positive, but this one is negative, right? It's going down from left to right. So if you have a positive slope and a negative slope, they're not the same. That's why it's not equivalent.